Got these little floaty cotton balls in the neighborhood. Wonder if they can show up. Yeah, they're floating all over. They're very, 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 very fine. So I don't know if they're going to show up or not. No. Well, at least there's two that show up, even though that it's June the 10th, 2022, Friday. Trying to get these cotton balls here. They are definitely coming from the west, but nice breeze here today. Definitely nice little breeze. Okay, there's a third one that showed up. Okay, well, at least you get to see little cotton little floaties. Got some of them here today. Truck. Yeah, they are definitely coming in from the west. See if we can get some more little cotton balls. I did this last year, but I didn't think that we would get so many. So I just thought I would see if I could shoot some. Thought that would be cool. Got a few, a little bit more. Yeah, they're flying all over the place. Flying all over the place here today. Update on the tree stump for everyone. More little magical little floaties here. Beep beep.
Well, I'm gonna go in.
Okay. Let's get some clouds in here today. Like I said, our lilacs are gone now. Got some little floaty floats here today. Ooh, see if I can follow that one. Let's see here. Yes, happy June the 10th, Friday to everybody today. Just thought I would throw in some nature here for a little bit, try and do something different than a ride along premieres like I've done in the past. Get some breeze. Turn off the light there, see what I can capture for everybody today. Don't really have that much going on today. Just pointing it up at the sky and see what we get. And this will be a premiere video, but I am Kara Knopf, your host. See if this is a good length for everybody here. Just trying new and different lengths to shoot, and I thought that this would be a good one. And I am Kara Knopf, your host, and I will see everybody next time. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, temperature is 71, 72 degrees next week. It's supposed to be hot. But I'm going to put this on the printer for a premiere. Everybody, have a good one.